Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to check login activity on Messenger. First of all, you can open the Messenger application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply tap on the three lines at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can now tap on settings at the top right corner of the screen. And after this, you can just simply scroll down, tap on privacy and safety, and after this you can just simply tap on end-to-end encrypted chats in the security section. Tap on it, and here you can now tap on security alerts, and now tap on view logins, and here you can check login activity on Messenger. It is the way you can check login activity on Messenger. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.